Hello. Today we will see how to read k sound or k sound and how to write it in Hiragana. Okay?
The second vertical line is K sound or K sound. So again I am going to read it and you try to repeat behind me. Okay? So first sound is Ka. Second Ki. Then Ku. Then K. And last K sound is Ko. Ko.
Okay? So very first sound is ka. Ka. In Devanagari, like this. In Hiragana, simple. Okay? In large scale, simple one. And stroke order, first is like this. This is first stroke. This is second. And this is third stroke. Okay? Understood? The pronunciation is ka. Simple. Now next sound is ki. Ki. In Hiragana. Okay? And in large scale, if you want to understand, then simple one. Okay? Stroke order. First horizontal line, second horizontal line. This is first stroke, this is second stroke. Third is like this. And fourth is this. This is fourth and this is third. This is in this way only. Okay? We can't go like this. Understood? So this is fourth stroke. You will find somewhere ki maybe like this. Okay? So this third stroke and this fourth stroke, they are connected. Okay? Now next. Ku. Very simple. Simplest. Simply like this. Stroke order. You may say this is one stroke. Okay? Now next. K. K. In Devanagari, K. And in Hiragana, simple. Okay? In large scale, if you want to understand, then okay? Stroke order. This is first stroke, this is second, and this is third. This is second, and this is third. Okay? And ko. Ko. In Devanagari, ko. And here in Hiragana. Understood? The first stroke and the second stroke in large scale. First is in this way. Okay, in this direction. First. And second is in this way. Okay, this is second stroke. So, this is the K series. And this is the writing in Hiragana. So, we will repeat this. Ka, ki, ku, ke, and ko. Understood? Okay.